fresh admission, item number 1.
May please, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, on behalf of Mr. S.B. Jana, my lord, no, not pressed, my lord.
Or counsel petitioner states not pressed.
Fresh admission, item number 2.
None appears. Dismiss not.
Supplementary list, item number 3.
My lord, on behalf of Mr. Das, he is not well today. Kindly urgent the matter.
No. What is the matter about? Tell us.
He is not well today, my lord.
Let's see what the matter is about. Answer to the petitioner state to be unwell. This on 10th May.
Supplementary item number 4.
My lord, the item number 4 has become infructuous in the meantime.
Counsel, the petitioner states it has become infructuous.
Item number 5.
Sir, item number 5, I have challenged the notice issued under section 148 of the IT Act dated 31st March 2021, my lord.
So it's covered by that order.
My lord, covered by this order of the orders.
You say in view of the order passed to this court.
On 24th January.
In writ petition civil so and so, the impugned notice under section 140, impugned notice dated 31st March 2021 issued under section 148 of the Income Tax Act 1961 is quashed. Writ petitions allowed.
Item number 6.
I humbly pray, my lord, on behalf of Mr. Mithun Das, I seek 1 week time. Matter may be listed next week, my lord, any day. In this case, Society Registration Act is involved and it may kindly be taken up next week.
All right, at the request of Mr. Mithun Das, list on 23rd March.
Obliged, my lord.
Supplementary list for orders, item number 7.
On behalf of Dayanda Mahapatra, my lord, no instruction.
Counsel petitioner states
Obliged,
no
my
instructions.
Item number 8.
None appears. Dismiss non prescription.
Item number 9.
And my lord, it may be infructuous, my lord.
Counsel the petitioner states petitions infructuous.
Item number 10.
None appears. Dismiss non prescription.
Item number 11.
Item 11, I am PC, my lord. It is a public interest litigation, my lord. Wherein the petitioner filed this application seeking to transfer IMFL shop to any other unobjectionable land, my lord. Herein, my lord, earlier the collector has passed order with regards to shifting. That order challenged by the opposite party number 5 before this honorable court. And this honorable court granted stay, and the virtue of order of stay, he was continuing. Now the writ application is disposed of. The petitioner filed several objections before the collector district magistrate Balashore with the prayer to shift the IMFL shop to any other unobjectionable land. In this case, my lord, the IMFL shop functioning in ward number 9, surrounding to that, my lord, and Aurobindo Integral School, Government UP School, Gandhi Sabha Ashram School, St. James Convent School, surroundings to the counter, my lord. The Annexure 8 petition file objection to shift that, but till today no action has been taken. He is continuing.
Financial year 2020-21.
Yes, that has been continuing till now. Annexure 8 to be considered by the collector, district magistrate Balashore.
Is the license still continuing?
Yes, my lord. License will continue. I would not know. But
just come for the first time.
What is the date of your representation, sir?
2020. Yes, my lord. Till now pending.
No, but is the issue alive?
Yes, my lord. Lordship, permit.
So the license only for 2020-21.
Yes.
But still now, the IMFL shop is continuing over that plot, my lord, ward number 9.
Well, that he must be continuing on the subject of renewal. Probably
Yes,
might have
yes.
been.
Renewal. My prayer, then let's shift that IMFL sub any other land. Surrounding that school is there. Annexure 8 to the representation will be permit. I will file fresh representation that collector make an inquiry.
This representation which my learned friend is saying, this annexure 8, my lord, it is of dated, my lord.
2 years ago.
Yes. So,
Yes.
and now the new policy has come, Lordship knows about the auction. Now the old policy is not there anymore.
No, we were not opposing to stop the shop. We are only
No,
saying-
even that person may not be there, sir.
Yes.
That opposite party number 5 may have changed.
Well, let's see, why permit me file a representation to collector if may inquiry in the matter.
All right, if the cause of action still survives, it will be open to the petitioners to make a fresh representation to the authorities. Petitioner to make a fresh representation to the authority, and after following up with such representation, to seek appropriate remedies in accordance with law. The petition is disposed of in the workshops.
My lord.
Item number 12. Supplementary list item number 12.
Application for restoration.
I know, but the man has to appear at least now.
May I audible?
Ah,
Hi.
so come to the main petition. Come to the main petition. Come to the main petition, sir.
Main petition is regarding acquisition of the forcible acquisition of the land, office
When was
building.
it acquired?
It is in the year 1996.
Where are we now? We are in 2022, sir.
No, the order was passed on July 2017. But
You
the
are appearing for the government here, in this matter.
My lord, I am for the government.
See, they seem to have written a letter
My lord.
that the office of the, just see the collectorate's office. If you look at,
my lord, the order was passed on 20th July
see,
2017.
Annexure 2, 30th December
My
1999.
lord, only the CMAPL copy is available. My lord. The writ petition has been
So
disposed
the
of.
district statistical office seems to have been constructed there.
I am handicapped because only the CMAPL application is
All
there, my
right, you
lord.
say for the reason stated, the application is allowed. Writ petition civil 35898 of 2021 is restored to file. The main writ petition, a copy of the writ petition be served afresh on learned counsel for the state within 3 days to enable him to take instructions.
My lord.
Obliged.
This on 15th March.
Obliged.
Item number 13.
Attend please to your lordship, my lord. Is a family person matter. Annexure 4, page 30, before opposite party number 1, my lord. The employee is in the Honorable High Court, my lord, and he died in service.
All right. Ask the RG to dispose it of. You
My-
say the representation dated.
25/9/2000.
Yeah, the application dated 25th September 2021, bracket annexure 4, shall be examined by the Registrar General and be disposed of by reasoned order, not later than 4th April 2022. And the decision be communicated to the petitioner not later than 11th April 2022.
Obliged.
Item number 14.
May I please, my lord. My lord, here the petitioner challenged the validity of notice under section 148. It is issued beyond the time period of 6 years from the end of the assessment year. So clearly it is barred by limitation.
Notice, Mr. Mahapatra accepts notice. No coercive steps be taken till the next date. When are those matters coming up?
7th of March.
These are not similar to that.
No. It is beyond time period, barred by limitation. Similar issue, another on 14th of March is listed. So
14th
maybe-
March. All right. List on 14th March. Reply be filed within 2 weeks, 4 weeks, rejoinder for the next date.
Obliged, man.
All right.
Item number 15.
May please. Milords, am I audible, Milords?
Yes, please.
Yes, this is a PIL filed by an association of yoga and naturopathy graduates.
No, tell us this. Are you sure that untrained people are going to be given certificates?
Yes, Milords.
No. Do you have any instance of such certificate being issued to an untrained person?
Milords, instances haven't. In fact, this is the first time state government has initiated the process of registration as a one-time measure, and they seek to register, self-qualified, non-institutionally qualified practitioners.
There are two defects, Mr. Acharya.
My lords, those defects have been cleared. That is what my instructions are, my lords.
Anyone appearing for the state?
I'm appearing for the state, Your Lordship.
You have the paper book?
Yes, Your Lordship, I have.
All right.
My lord, copy notes or Union of India also party.
All right, notice, Ms. Patnaik accepts notice on behalf of opposite parties 1 and 2 and Ms. Babita Sahu. Ms. Babita Sahu accepts notice on behalf of opposite party number 3. Copies be served and all that. Replies be filed within 8 weeks, rejoinder for the next date. 2nd May.
My lords, any interim orders? My lords,
No. In case you find somebody who has been issued certificate, you bring that to our notice.
Please, my lords. Please. Grateful.
Item number 16.
Would your lordships provide in the order?
The petitioner.
Sorry?
Would your lordships provide for that in the order, my lords?
It will be open to the petitioner to bring to the notice of the court individual instances where a self-trained, unqualified person is being issued a registration certificate.
Please.
All right.
Grateful.
Item 16. Item number 16.
May I please the petitioner challenge the order dated 31/1/2022 under Annex of 4 mine.
Sorry?
Under Annex of 4 mine. Order dated 31/1/2022.
There appears to be some defects are there, my lord.
One defect 8. What is defect 8?
Only the name of the petitioner number 2 has not been clearly mentioned.
Number 2 name.
I see. It's all right. Okay. What's the prayer here?
The petitioner challenged the order dated 31/1/2022 under Annex of 4 minor.
Sir, there already a detailed order has been passed.
Yes, my lord.
My lord, according to the repentation of the petitioner, which this honorable court has passed out to dispose of the repentation of the petitioner.
Correct.
My lord, the petitioner said that within 100 meter radius.
Sir, all that has been examined. You come to page 23.
Yes.
22, actually page 22.
22, second paragraph.
My lord.
The objections are vague.
My lord, as already stated, the Honorable High Court without expressing opinion of the merits of the case.
No, next paragraph, sir.
My lord, here the objections were called for. No objections came within the statutory period, my lord. It has been mentioned. Lordship, you may kindly see 4 lines from the top. As far as the objection in response to public notice is concerned for opening of new IMFL shop, no objections were received with the statutory period, as a result of which the same was recommended to excise directed and then to the government in excise department for grant of license by letter number such and such for the remaining period of 21-22.
Fact is that when the objections had been made by the concerned opposite party, they have not been published in that local area, and the petitioner has not gone about the fact that after knowing the opening of the liquor shop, they have been objected and they have been given number of repentations before the opposite partner 1, 2, 3. Again, prior to opening of the liquor shop, but the authority has not taken any steps. Therefore, the petition took certain before this honorable court. Number of decisions of the honorable appeal court as well as the high court that within 100 meter radius, no shops will be opened.
No. Where have you said? One minute. Ask him to wait. Where have you said this is within 100 meters?
My lord, but that I have next one, my lord, 3, my lord. And it's a 3, page 19, my lord.
No. Where have you placed this point before the commissioner?
My lord, I have given all the details of the case map as well as the
No.
note of submission.
Did you raise this issue before the commissioner?
Yes, my lord.
Where is that?
My lord. But they have not mentioned in their order sheet, my lord.
No. Where is your representation? Did you say this in your representation?
My dependence, my lord. I have given dependent all the details have been mentioned in
No. Where is that? Where is the copy of the representation?
Well, I have not annexed, my lord.
You better bring. Counsel, the petitioner states that before the next date, he will produce a copy of the representation made to the commissioner, excise commissioners.
Opposite party 3, my lord.
Defects also be cured before the next week. List on 10th March.
The admission item number 17.
I am for the OP number 6, my lord.
Item 17.
You have to speak in the mic, madam.
This is a PIL matter, my lord. In this case, my lord, the opposite party number 8, who is the wife of the then MLA, Orissa, have acquired and encroached to about 3.5 acre of land, government land, my lord. On the said land, he has constructed permanently some houses in the name of their NGO, my lord. But after inquiry by the OP number 1, he found that this NGO has committed several irregularities, my lord. By Annexure 3, my lord, the petitioner has made a representation regarding these illegal activities, my lord.
So you make a fresh representation, sir. So many years have passed. This is eight years have passed, sir.
It's public land, my lord. Public property, my lord.
1 minute, sir.
Action is continuing, my lord. Public
1
property.
minute. What did you do? What did you do these 8 years? Did you get this petition listed?
In spite of several mention, my lord, this was not coming.
No. I have been, sir, I have not heard you mention this matter even once in the last 1 year.
During Corona period, my lord,
No, Corona and all. Sir, everybody is mentioning all matters during Corona.
We are struggling for sustaining, my lord. This matter has come out of term, my lord.
No.
Well, the civil court has passed an order of status quo in this case.
Where is that shows?
Lord, which court, my lord?
No. Where do you get that civil court has passed status quo?
No, my lord, it's our instruction.
The public property, my lord. This should be said, my lord.
Sir, you woke up today, it was listed on its own, all right?
Your lordship,
you're making it appear that you filed it yesterday, day before yesterday.
No, my lord, your lordship.
Let us be realistic.
We have been doing this since
Sir,
long.
don't get excitable.
No, my lord, I'm not excited, my lord.
Yes. Kindly calm down now.
My lord, after arrival,
the last 8 years, Mr. Mahapatra, first listen.
Yes, my lord.
In the last 8 years, you did not lift a single finger to get this matter listed.
My lord, I have.
So don't get excited now.
No, I'm not excited, my lord. This public board, I have no
We'll first find out what the position is. Yes, tell us.
My lord, the Junior Civil Judge Junior Division Bhubaneswar, in IA number 510/2002, by order dated 12/3/2003, has passed an order of status quo, where the husband of the petitioner was the plaintiff in that case, and the J department was the defendant.
When was this writ petition filed?
Filed in the year 2013.
And he has not disclosed this year. Which month?
12/3/2000. The writ petition, my lord.
No, the suit.
Suit was filed, my lord. I think
there must be a number. Suit number must be.
Yes, my lord. CS number is not. Only the IA number 510/2002.
IA itself is 2002.
Yes, my lord.
And this he files in 2013. Has he disclosed the suit somewhere? No, he has not. He suppressed material fact.
But who petitioner, my lord? How petitioner, no, my lord?
No. Petitioner, no. Well, the OP number 6, who is the private opposite party here, my lord. Her husband has filed the suit.
Got a stay against who?
Against the state government, my lord. J department.
You better place it on record.
Yes.
Was it filed? It was filed much before, is it?
Yes, it was filed.
What steps have you taken to vacate that stay?
Lord, I'll take instruction because this matter has come up after a long time. But since the instruction was obtained in the year, my lord, in the year 2013, and in that instruction, these documents have been annexed.
All right, counsel appearing for the state seeks time for instructions. An affidavit be filed. as to the present status of the land in question and any other litigation that may be pending in connection therewith. Come up before the next day. This is on 5th April.
Item number 18.
Pardon, my lord, 15th of March, my lord, or February?
5th of
5th
April.
of April. 5th of April. Okay.
Item number 18.
Flag B.
Madam. In this matter, we have filed 2 affidavits enclosing the status report.
Yeah,
regarding
we're just
health
looking at
condition.
that. We're looking at
Regarding health condition of the person concerned, as well as the financial assistance which have been provided to her family. Lordship, may kindly see Annexure A to the first affidavit dated 18/2/2013. That is a flag A. No?
No, what's the current position, sir?
Current position, you Lordship, current position I have to take instruction because all those affidavits were filed in the year 2013.
Health status, health report. Let's see.
Because second affidavit, your Lordship, can see
she's been moderately improved.
That is at flag B, your Lordship, can see that is of the month of
At least 6
May
months.
2013. And there, page 4, that is the status report of the Professor HOD Psychiatry of the SCB Medical College. There, he has mentioned that Srimati Maunavati Kabi is under treatment in female psychiatric unit of mental
No,
health.
this is all 2013, sir.
Yes.
You see, a further status report we filed before the next date, same date. List on April 5th.
Item 19.
Item 19, may I please receive?
I am appearing for the private opposite party number 6.
I am appearing for the petitioner, my lordship.
Yes.
It is the case of my lordship. It's a case of my lordship. Government land was encroached by the private opposite party number 6, my lordship. But I am the villager of the said village, my lordship.
What has happened since then, sir? Because it
Lordship.
was listed only once, it was never listed after that. In the last 8.5 years, it has not been listed even once.
The petitioner also earlier filed an PIL before this Honorable Court in 2012.
But what's the position, sir? You are appearing for 6, correct, Mr. Mahapatra?
Yes, I am appearing for the 6.
So what is your, you also have not filed, you filed a counter.
No, I am not filed counter. Now the Lordship may page 9, paragraph 4 and 4.4 Lordship may kindly peruse. Already earlier redepletion this Honorable Court directed to consider. The petition already evicted. Now co-sharer filed a suit. The suit is pending where the petitioner appeal over the defendant. Now again the petitioner filed with the present PIL, Miller.
Oh, so he's also filed a suit?
Yes. Co-sharer filed suit with the appeal number 6 the defendant. Lordship civil suit number 181 of 2013. Pending before the Land Civil Judge Junior Division, Balashore.
Oh. Counsel for Response number 6 states, opposite party number 6 states that the petitioner had earlier filed a writ petition, civil 21523 of 2012. This is the second round of litigation. He states that the co-sharer of the petitioner has filed a civil suit in which the opposite party number 6 is a defendant.
My lord.
Suit number?
CS 181 of 2013.
181 of 2013, pending the court of the
Civil Judge Junior Division, Balashore.
Civil Judge Junior Division, Balashore. These facts have not been disclosed in the present petition. Since the subject matter is already Since the matter is already sub judice in the civil court, the court does not consider it appropriate to issue directions in the present petition. It is disposed of as such.
Item number 20. Supplementary list item number 20.
None appears as Mr. Numbers.
Item number 22.
None appears as Mr. Numbers.
Item number 23.
Your Lordship, on behalf of Mr. S.K. Samantray, no instruction.
Council petitioner states he has no instructions.
Item number 24.
None appears as Mr. Numbers.
Item 25.
Infructuous in the meantime. Effects of time, a matter of transfer, it is infructuous.
All right. Council petitioner states the matter has been rendered infructuous. Disposed of as such.
Item 26.
My lord, the matter has been infectious.
All right. Same.
My lord.
27 also?
27, 28, same.
26, 27, 28.
Item 29.
None appears to Mr. Numbers.
Item number 30.
None appears. Dismissed for non-prosecution.
Item number 31.
None appears. Dismissed for non-prosecution.
Item number 32.
None appears.
Item number 33.
None appears. Dismissed for non-prosecution.
Item number 34.
None appears. Dismissed for non-prosecution.
Item number 35.
My lord. Item 35, my lord, I am appearing through VC for OP number 5 IDCO, my lord.
My
We lord, have already filed.
counter filed last month, my lord. I would like to file a rejoinder, my lord.
What is the matter about, sir? Let us come to it.
Interim order to continue, my lord.
No. What is the matter about?
Matter, my lord. Matter is regarding, my lord, in action of the opposite party number 1 to 5, my lord. What they have done, they have taken the Bhudan lands, my lord, which is not alienable, my lord, not transferable, my lord. That Bhudan lands was granted in favor of the landless persons, my lord.
You must may kindly turn to our counter affidavit,
I will
paragraph
follow.
7. This counter affidavit was filed on 6/4/2015 by the additional district magistrate Raigada. Look, this land has been recorded, has been acquired under the provisions of Land Acquisition Act, and all the acquired lands have not been recorded in favor of Bhudan Jagya Samiti, and all the lands which have been acquired, those are privately recorded lands.
Oh.
Annexure 1 series, I have given all the relevant documents that these lands are Bhudan lands and there were.
No, but have you seen this counter affidavit?
Well, I will file a rejoinder.
No, this is a 2015 counter.
And in paragraph 9, we have stated that those documents which have been annexed as annexed at annexure 1, well, those have not been signed by the person concerned. The donees have not signed in the Danapatras, nor the same have also been witnessed by any person. In paragraph 9 of the counter, we have stated.
The whole basis of the present petition is that Bhudan lands have been illegally transferred by the state government in favor of a private entity, opposite party number 8, and that the said land should be restored in favor of the Bhudan grantees and the Bhudan Yagna Samiti. In reply to the present petition, a counter affidavit has been filed by the additional district magistrate Raigada way back on 6th April 2015, interior stating that the land in question does not belong to the Bhudan Yajna Samiti. As alleged, what was acquired was private land, and the acquisition took place under the Land Acquisition Act 1894. No lands in the Bhimandi Moza have ever been recorded in the name of Bhudan Yajna Samiti. At the time of such acquisition, no objection was raised by anyone.
IDCO has also filed counter on para 4. Kindly have a glance.
The acquisition, the land was acquired from 24 villages of Kashipur Tehsil in LAC case, and compensation was paid in LAC case number 5 of 95 and 1 of 1997. The land was subsequently leased out in favor of Orissa Industrial Infrastructure Development Corporation. And subsequently to opposite party number 8 for 90 years for establishment of an alumina refinery project at Doraguda. Paragraph. Since the in the last 6 years, no rejoinder affidavit has been filed to dispute the above averments. The categorical averment that no parcel of the land belongs to the Bhudan Yajna Samiti, and therefore the provision of sections 14 and 18 of the Orissa Bhudan and Gramadana Act 1970 is not applicable, has not been disputed. In that view of the matter, none of the reliefs prayed for can be granted. The petition is dismissed.
Item 36.
My lord, our appearance will record, my lord. We are for IDCO, my lord. Open number 5.
All right.
Item 36. 36.
Pardon, my lord. This is a public interest litigation, my lord, filed by a senior most advocate barrister of this High Court, my lord, 88 years. For the prayer to maintain the park named in the name of our present Chief Minister Biju Naveen Patnaik, that is Biju Patnaik Park, including all other parks of the Kotak city and playgrounds, my lord. 2014, my lord, I filed a petition, but till date no counter has not been filed. For maintenance of the park, my lord, Annex 3 series there, my lord. How they are getting money in each year, my lord, but not maintaining the parks, my lord.
Where is the recent photograph, recent affidavit, something you'll have to give us, sir. You filed it in 2014 and forgot about it.
No, my lord, due to Corona, my lord, we are councils are suffering from sustaining.
So Corona happened in 2020 and 2021. This petition was filed in 2014.
My lord, before your lordship, we have mentioned
only for your kind information, sir. Only for your kind information.
Yes, sir.
This petition was listed only once on 16th January 2015.
Yes.
After that, it is listed today because the court on its own has asked this to be listed. All right.
Yes, it is.
So that only shows how much interest you are showing in the issue.
No, my lord, before your lordships, we have mentioned various times before other lordship, my lord, judge, my lord. But matter not being listed because
so what you have to do therefore now, sir, you have to again visit the park.
Sir, your lordship is so sympathetic, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Mahapatra, I also want you to help me.
Yes, my lord, I am ready.
Are you prepared to help me?
Yes, my lord.
So you make a visit to the park, use your mobile phone, take some photographs.
Yes, my lord.
And file an affidavit.
Myself, my lord. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, my lord.
In the last 6 years, the court has no information as to the status of the Biju Patnaik
Park.
May I pray, my lords? Annexure 11 is pending.
Park.
May I pray, my lords? I think it can be disposed.
First, let us find out what the position is, sir. What the current status of the Biju Patnaik the park is. That is because this petition, which was filed in 2014, was listed just once on 16 January 2015 and has not been listed since then till now. Paragraph, Mr. Dilip Kumar Mahapatra, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, undertakes to visit the park himself, placed before the court with an affidavit, photographs which would show the current status of the park.
My lord, I mean, another thing, my lord, playground situated at sector 6 of the CDM, my lord, that is also like that, my lord.
Okay, Biju Patnaik Park and the playground at
Sector 6.
All right, all right. List on 9th March.
Yes,
Item number 37.
None appears dismissed or not.
I am for opposite point number 6, that is Bhubaneswar Municipal Corporation.
All right.
Item 38.
38 may I plead, my lord. I am on virtual mode, my lord. But this is a public interest litigation, my lord. The lordship may kindly turn to page 9, my lord, annexure 1, regarding extension of the benefits to the boxing players of the state, my lord, by the state government. My lord, in 2013, this notification was issued, wherein 8 boys and 8 girls, total 16 seats were allotted to the boxing discipline in the sports hostels, my lord.
But all this is infructuous now.
My lord, since last talent scout program was conducted by the state government in 2013 and 14, my lord. After that, in each and every year, they are conducting the talent scout program, but without including the boxing as a discipline, my lord. When the boxing has not been included as a discipline in the program, my lord, advertisement, so how the talents will participate in this talent scout program and get admission into the sports hostel, my lord? My whole submission is, my lord, they have to fill up these seats in the sports hostel, my lord, because many talents are there. I have also given some of the certificates, and the lordship may kindly peruse my additional affidavit, my lord. The state government has also filed a counter affidavit, reply to my rejoinder, and also an additional affidavit, the sole submission of the state government, my lord, that no persons are coming or no students are showing their interest to participate in the boxing, my lord. But your lordship may find out, I have enclosed several each and every year's document, my lord, the program floated by the state government to participate in the talent scout program. Every sports has been included except boxing, my lord. When boxing will not be included,
only put
how the students will be participated, my lord?
2013 matter has been put here.
Now also these seats are lying vacant, and now they are admitting other discipline students in those seats, my lord.
Do you have at least 10 names of people who want to learn boxing?
My lord, I have given in my additional affidavit, my lord. I have
No, those are all very old people now, sir. You filed this in 18.
My lord, I will file an additional affidavit. This affidavit was filed in 2021. If your lordship permits, I will file another affidavit, my lord, by giving the names, my lord. Many students are there, my lord. In Puri, at least 50 to 60 students are getting training, but they are not getting the benefit from the state government, my lord.
My lord, initially there were out of 8 boys and 8 girls, 16. There were only 10 who were available, your lordship. 5 girls and 5 boys. They were put in Bhubaneswar Sports Hostel, your lordship, where the girls themselves, they changed their discipline, your lordship. They went in to pursue the other sports. And out of the 5, they were transferred to Puri Hostel, your lordship. From there, after the vacation, 3 boys didn't turn up. There was only 2. So in the end, at the by office date, order dated 18/3/2017, your lordship, it was decided that to dispense off with the boxing discipline from the sports hostel, your lordship. And accordingly, the boxing discipline was not listed from 7/6/2018, your lordship. That is a fact, your lordship. They can't find in the talent scouting, there were not enough eligible candidates, your lordship.
If your lordship will peruse my additional affidavit I have filed in 2021, my specific stand is that, my lord, though the students were get admitted in the sports hostel, my lord, but no coach provided, no training provided, for which they were forced to change their sports. Some of the students were also expelled from the sports hostel without assigning any reason. I have also given one.
Sir, are you interested in this boxing thing, or you're generally talking now of
No, my
all
lord, boxing.
students?
Only boxing.
There are no boxing students at all to be expelled. So you don't. What she's trying to say is, whoever is there, they also change their disciplines.
No, my lord, your lordship may kindly peruse annexure P/1 to my additional affidavit. I have enclosed the document, my lord, without assigning any reason. A student who has got admission in the sports hostel, my lord, he was ousted from the sports hostel without any reason, my lord. I have given that document. Page 5 to my additional affidavit.
So that is a separate cause of action. I don't know what this is.
My lord, my whole submission is that, my lord, no training was provided in the sports hostel. No coach was there, for which the students were compelled to change their discipline, my lord. So if state government will provide all benefits like other sports, so definitely the talents will come.
Sir, you give us names of a few
Yes, my lord.
students who want to do boxing.
I will file, my lord.
You have it with you, or you're not going to go looking for it?
No. I will file, my lord. Most of the students are there in Puri. At least more than 50 students are getting training, my lord, in private. They are not getting these benefits, my lord. They are not getting the floor, my lord. So
Which are these 50 students? Who's
I will
training them?
file an affidavit, my lord. I have given some certificates to my additional affidavits, my lord. The name of the students who have participated in many championships and have been awarded in, my lord, with medal, my lord. Some of them have also been awarded.
That is in 2011, sir. The certificate you've
No, my lord, this certificate
2011.
11, my lord, 17 also there, 2019 also there, many certificates. Most of the certificates I have given, my lord. 2011, thereafter 2017, 2018, my lord. Different years are there, my lord. 2019 also there, my lord. So if your lordship permits, I can file another affidavit, my lord, by giving some of the names, my lord, who are interested.
All right. Consul, the petitioner states that he will file an affidavit indicating names of students who are still interested in pursuing boxing as a sport. The affidavit will be filed before the next date. This on 16th March.
Published.
Item number 39.
My lord, may I please, my lord?
Yes, please.
My lord, in this case, this is the PIL, my lord. This is regarding the rape and 376B and 376-2N.
1 minute, 1 minute, sir. 1 minute, 1 minute.
Government has filed status.
Stop the live screening. Live stream has to be stopped.